At one battery of Pennsylvania artillery on that scorching hot Sunday, a legendarily heroic event played out. Mary Ludwig Hayes, along with other camp followers, normally served as water girls during training, carrying water to drilling infantry troops on hot days. The cannon themselves always demanded a constant supply of fresh water to cool the blazing hot barrel and to soak the rag-tipped rammer to clear sparks and gunpowder after each shot. Some have said that Mary Hayes earned her famous nickname, Molly Pitcher, during this time. Soldiers would shout, "Molly! Pitcher!" whenever they needed Mary to bring water. Mary marched along with her husband William's artillery battery into this battle. At some time, during an intense crossfire, William Hayes collapsed next to his cannon, either wounded or collapsed from heat exhaustion. As her husband was carried off, Mary took his place at the cannon, and for the rest of the day, and in the heat of battle, continued to work the booming guns alongside her husband's comrades. After the battle, General Washington asked about the woman whom he had seen loading a cannon on the battlefield. For her courage, it is believed that he issued Mary Hayes a warrant as a non-commissioned officer. Sergeant Molly was a nickname that she used for the rest of her life. If Molly Pitcher be folklore or history, a legend from the Battle of Monmouth, she remains.